Greetings smartwatch fans! Ito, meron tayo ditong bagong smartwatch from the company Halo, ang Halo Watch S6 smartwatch. Isa sa pinakabago at pinaka-affordable na smartwatch from the company Halo. And of course, sa video na ito, i-review natin yung smartwatch na ito. Titingnan natin yung design, kasama na rin yung features. So, kung may mga katanungan kayo about sa smartwatch na ito, may plano kayong bilhin, drop lang ng comment sa baba. And of course, wag nang paligoy-ligoy pa. Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe sa nag-iisang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Okay, so umpisa na natin. Tingnan natin ang Halo Watch S6. Etong smartwatch nito, start muna tayo sa price. Less than 1,000 pesos lang. Okay? Premium smartwatch from a reputable company, popular company. Pero loaded ito ng iba't ibang features, lalo na sa health at sports section. So yung laman ng box nito, ito yung packaging. Smartwatch, kasama nila yung strap. And ito, USB Type A, magnetic pogo pin, charger. And of course, yung user manual. So sa box na ito, tingnan natin. Ito yung specifications at yung features. 2.01 high definition display, voice assistant meron din, may speaker, may mic, may Bluetooth call, health monitoring, 7-day battery life, at merong 120 plus workout modes. So sa less than 1,000 pesos lang, meron kang professional na sports monitoring function. Okay? So, power in self, Halo Fan app yung support app, dual core, 2-in-1, and available sa Android at iOS. So, sa smartwatch naman, ito yung pinaka-design ng smartwatch. Yun nga lang, hindi siya metal body, hindi aluminum alloy, or stainless steel. Plastic yung body frame ng smartwatch nito. So, sa iba, nakaka-turn off ka nga, nakaka-disappoint na sa isang popular na company, plastic body frame yung smartwatch. But, matibay pa rin. Meron siyang IP68 waterproof rating, lightweight, and okay naman yung design. Premium pa rin naman yung dating. So, meron siyang ditong power on and power off button. Kung napapansin nyo, hindi siya rotating function. Ito lang nga lang yung disappointing dito. So, sa strap, meron siyang flexible silicone strap. Meron quick release pin for easy replacement. And meron siyang heart rate monitoring at blood oxygen monitoring. Dito sa gilid, speaker hole, mic, and of course yung crown button natin. So, okay naman yung graphics. Okay naman yung sharpness ng screen. Very easy to operate. Merong push notifications, Bluetooth call, at merong iba't ibang cards dito na menu. Okay? So, widgets. So, pwede ka magdagdag, pwede mong tanggalin. So far, very light yung smartwatch. I think less than 50 grams lang to. Hindi ako nagkakamali. So, check nga natin sa weighing scale. 0. Again. So, tingnan natin yung weight. So, around 37.78 grams. Kasama na yung strap. Okay? How much more kapag hindi nakasama yung strap? I think it's around 25 grams only. So, very lightweight, very comfortable to wear. Napakaganda nga ng screen. Hindi siya AMOLED pero okay pa rin naman. Especially sa outside. So, very readable kahit sa direct sunlight. Okay, so sa features naman, so workout, again, 120 plus workout mode yung meron sa smartwatch na ito. Okay, so add workout. So merong running sports, may section for cycling, indoor sports, outdoor, snow sports, ball games, dance, flight, and other sports. So wala siyang swimming. Okay, May heart rate monitoring, merong activity tracking, automatic activity tracking, monitoring yung calories, steps, at distance. Meron ding stress monitoring, Bluetooth call, ito yung Bluetooth call natin. May support sa recent calls, contacts, at dial pad. So sa health, kanina may heart rate monitoring, ito may blood oxygen monitoring. May breathing guide, weather report, calendar, voice assistant, alarm, stopwatch, timer, meron ding calculator, camera, remote music control. Ito yung kanina yung push notifications with support sa Messenger, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, at iba pa. Meron ding find phone, flashlight, at sa settings. Yung kagandahan dito, so sa Redmi kasi parang wala yatang calculator. Ito meron tayong calculator dito. Sa settings, merong brightness control, may theme, ito yung menu options, watch face, timeout, time set, vibration option, screen lock, language. I don't know yung may Tagalog dito, parang wala yata. Okay. So Indonesia, Belarusian, French, and iba pa. So wala siyang Tagalog. QR code for the support app, power saving mode, and sa system natin meron tayong about, power off, restart, at reset. So fully loaded na smartwatch with a very affordable price. So yung color natin based on sa box ay black. So far, based on our test, okay naman yung sports monitoring. Nakakount niya naman yung steps natin. Sa heart rate, okay din. At blood oxygen monitoring. Yung hindi pa natin na-try dito, yung sa push notifications. At sa, I think sa music control, hindi rin. Okay? So, titingnan natin. Iti-test natin yung iba't ibang features ng smartwatch na ito. Okay? So far, okay naman yung design with a very affordable price. Ito ang ating Halo Watch S6. So kung may bala kayong bumili nito, drop lang ng comment sa baba. Ilalagay natin yung link. And of course, support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel, ang Smartwatch Pinoy TV. Available rin kaming channel sa TikTok. Hanapin nyo lang. Okay, so that's it. Bye!